Oh, hi there. This is Vince from Vaughan Public Libraries. If you haven't already noticed, we've launched ourselves online offering amazing information, programs, and story times that you can access all with the click of a button. But I'm sure you already know this, and you'd be mortified to hear that you've been missing out on so many amazing free resources. Anyway, just in case, my colleague Karen has put together a quick video to show us the amazing Insta Stories and live storytime programs VPL has to offer.
Alright, so when you open the Instagram app, you will find stories and live events by people that you follow in the top banner. For this demo, VPL is the only account that I follow, so no other stories and live events are showing up here, but you might have to scroll to navigate this banner if you follow more people. You'll notice that there's a colorful ring around one of these. That tells you it's something new that you have not yet watched, or that it's a live event. Current live events will also have the word live underneath it, whereas old live events that were recorded will have a play button underneath. All stories and lives disappear after 24 hours of posting. So let's start with the live event since there's one happening right now. As you can see in the lower half of the screen, anyone who enters the live event will show up in the comment screen. At the very bottom, you'll find the comment box, along with some preloaded messages you can click to automatically post. So if I click on this wave button over here, this hand, you'll see that it appears in the bottom half of the screen. If you're enjoying the live event and would like to let the presenter know, you can also click on the hearts down over here to send some hearts on screen. And the last feature I'm going to cover for lives is how to share a link to the live with others. You can click on the paper airplane icon at the bottom beside the heart, and you'll be able to search for people that you know. If you know their username, just type it in right over there. Otherwise, they might also just automatically populate below the box. So they should receive a link to the live. And you can do the same thing with Instagram stories and past live events that have been posted for 24 hours. Now let's go back to the Instagram home screen and take a look through VPL stories. We just have to click on VPL's profile photo up here at the top. For stories, each image or video stays for a few seconds before moving on to the next one. To navigate the stories, if you need some more time, you can press and hold the screen to pause the countdown. To go to the next page, you can either tap the screen or tap either side of the screen to navigate backwards or forwards. So if I tap on the left side of the screen, it'll take me back to the previous post. Whereas if I tap on the right side, it will take me to the next slide. And if one of the stories has a post inside of it that you're interested in looking at, you can tap on the image of the post and click on View Post, which will lead you directly to the post that you're interested in. And we're done.
Using Instagram is a quick and convenient way to stay connected and see upcoming programs at a glance. With easy access to our stories and live storytime programs, you'll be sure to get the most out of our digital programs. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. We're going to be creating more videos like this that can show you how apps can make your stay-at-home life so much easier. From everyone here at VPL, thanks for watching and stay safe.